We are here at the curtain raiser function of Drone Expo 2022, which is going to be held in Gandhinagar in September 2022. Mr. Sandeep Trivedi, project director of the event, is going to talk about the event.
Hello. Drone Expo is basically an event on drones and UAV technologies. We are targeting a lot of component manufacturers, drone manufacturers, across India and international. This is a 3-day show basically happening in the month of September from 15 to 17, and the venue is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. One of the three co-located shows which are happening with Drone Expos are Fire India, Disaster and Safety. So we are expecting a lot of footfall from the invitees, from the government ministries, from the startups, from the lot of regions that we are targeting. So we hope that this show will definitely, rock the market in terms of drone sales.
So, how is the response for the show?
As far as the response is concerned, it's quite moderate because we have just grown up and come after the pandemic. So I think this show will grow exponentially in the coming 2 3 years down the line. So that's how I look at the show.
So the stalls, it will be part of the Fire India main event, or you have a separate section for Expo.
There will be a separate section wherein all the drone manufacturers, component manufacturers will be placed at one section, and from there then and they will be promoted. In that case, it will be a section of there will be a section of drones basically.
How many foreign exhibitors are there in the event?
We are in touch with almost around 50 people, but then hopefully like 5 to 6 people will definitely come and turn up the show because we have virtual and physical both. So we are expecting for international, we are expecting virtually more focus for them, and then when we talk about domestic, then of course it's a physical show for them.
Thank you so much, sir. See you at Drone Expo in 2022.
Thank you so much. Thank you.